We all have days when we feel unmotivated, overwhelmed, and even distracted, and nothing on our to-do list gets done. But waiting for motivation is not the answer to this. So if you want to succeed, you need to learn how to push yourself to get things done even when you don't feel like it. So let me show you how to do this. The first step is to break it down. Big tasks can often feel very daunting, and it can even, encourage procrastination. When you break down the things you want to do, it will be way much easier for you. Divide your task into smaller actionable steps that will help you. For instance, if you want to write a report, don't focus on how you're going to finish everything. Focus on starting with the introduction first. Once you're done with the introduction, it starts getting easier for you to move into the next step. And that's what I mean by breaking it down. This will go a long way to help you. The second step is to use the 5-minute rule. What do I mean by the 5-minute rule? Tell yourself, I'll work on this project. I'll work on these things for 5 minutes. It begins to get easier. Once you have started with that 5 minutes, trust me, that thing that you want to do begins to get easier because you have already started it. The hardest part is getting started. So trick your brain by committing to a very small amount of time, and you get to see that once you have started, it gets easier. The third point is to eliminate distraction. So distractions are productivity killers. You will not be productive when you have so much distractions around you. There's no way you can manage. So the best way is to kill any form of distractions around you. And how can you achieve that? By putting your phone in silence. Have you tried to do things at so many points in time and you realize that the more you're trying to do that thing, the more you're seeing one text popping up, the more you are distracted with your phone trying to scroll the social media, the more a call is coming in, and so many things that before you know it, you haven't done anything at all. So the first thing is to put your phone in silence. Close unnecessary tabs on your computer. Create a focused workspace around you. I would encourage you to keep going. Set yourself up for success by removing the temptation to procrastinate. The fourth step is to create accountability. And how do you do that? Accountability is a very powerful motivator. Tell someone about your goal, about your deadline. It can be a friend, it can be a colleague, or even an accountability group. Because when others are counting on you concerning your plans, you are more likely to follow through. When people are asking you, oh, so what about this thing that you're doing? What about this? You are much more likely to follow through than when you are just on that solo journey. You have, every reason not to, because probably you don't have a drive concerning that thing and you don't have anybody asking you about that certain thing. Finally, give yourself something to look forward to. It could be a short break, just telling yourself, oh, when I finish this thing, I'm going out. I'm going to visit a friend. Or when I finish this, I'm going to take some time out to watch some movies. Something that you enjoy doing. That would motivate you to get that thing done so that you can have that bit of time to yourself. Or maybe it could also be like a favorite snack that you love. Or just a little reward something to reward yourself for the job being done. So next time you are struggling to get things done, make sure you note down this point because they would really help you. The 5-minute rule, having an accountability partner, eliminate distractions, reward yourself, and breaking it down. Success isn't about waiting for motivation. It's about taking that first step, about taking action even when you don't feel like it. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your productivity soar. If you have found this video very helpful, please give it a like, please share it onto others that will be needing this, and also subscribe for more growth tips and turn on the post notification as well. And also you'll be seeing the video on my end screen. Please watch it as this is going to impact you a great deal. And until I see you in my next video, have an amazing day ahead and bye for now.